Hi everyone, we have prepared 3 great gift ideas for Teachers Appreciation Day. They are easy enough so you can create them with your kids. Subscribe for more amazing paint tips and craft tutorials. Let's start with a rock flower card. You will need the Artistro acrylic paint set, rocks, Artistro 12 extra fine tip acrylic paint pens, and white paper. Here we go! First, color all the rocks white. Let the white layer dry. Paint the rocks as you like. Ready? What are the best character traits of your teacher? Write them all down using Artistro extra fine point acrylic pens. Paint the stem and leaves of the future flower. Place the colored rocks in a flower shape. Looks gorgeous! Your teacher will definitely love it. For the second gift idea, let's make a custom mug for your teacher. You will need Artistro fine point acrylic paint marker pens and a ceramic mug. Clean up the surface and start creating. You can let your imagination flow and paint whatever you like. However, we decided to paint Yoda. Artistro paint pens are easy to use. You will enjoy the painting process. Use the black paint marker for detailing. Just a few details left. Write, Yoda best teacher. Outline the letters and bingo! We finished our painting. Best gift ever. To make this design permanent, follow the instructions on how to bake the mug in the description. We have prepared one more tutorial, a button-headed Classmate card. First, use double-sided tape to stick the buttons to the paper. These buttons will be the heads of the classmates. Leave enough space for painting bodies, hands, and legs. We recommend painting a sketch beforehand. After the buttons are stuck to their places, draw and color your classmates. That's real fun! Check out our description to order your perfect Artistro set. Use a variety of Artistro paint marker pen colors to paint your classmates' clothes brightly. Write something nice about your teacher. Add your classmates' names to make the card personal. Your teacher will never forget this lovely present. Thank your teachers for guiding, inspiring, and making you what you are today. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Stay tuned!